guys, let's eat. Hi guys, how are you guys? What are you guys up to? So I hope you guys are feeling the Christmas vibe. The place is no longer locked down. So you see I got some things hanging here. So let me tell you guys what we're having today. So basically we just have some sticky rice with some chili, cheese. We have 2 salads. We have one with mayo and one without, like a chow. We have some orange juice. If it's your first time viewing one of my amazing videos and be part of this amazing family, all you have to do is subscribe, guys. Okay, guys, so I have 2 mukbangs to do today, so let's just dive right in. But first, we need to give God thanks. Heavenly Father, please bless my subscribers, my viewers, nourish our bodies about to receive this food, and sustain the ones who don't have blessed this food. Amen. Amen, guys. So how are you guys today? What are you guys up to? So I'll be trying cherry pepper today. But I'm just going to cut this because I know it's going to be hot. No, you guys, you don't tell me that. I know it's going to be hot. And let me just get some salad here. My mouth is watering. Oh, I love this sauce. Guys, that is those red peppers hot. I have one here. My eyes is watering. Guys, I don't mess with these Caribbean peppers. I don't. But I think I need some water. Thanks. Oh. Woo. Wow. That is super hot. But it's so small. Guys, so what have you guys been up to? I know we're in the season of Christmas and everybody putting away, cleaning up. I myself, guys, I myself. But you know, I still have to come and say hi. This pepper is so hot. Guys, this chili is hot. But it's good. So let's try the chow flavored. A lot of shadow belly. So this one is supposed to be for my second mukbang, guys, but boy, that mukbang I'll be doing cuckoo. Oh, this pepper is so hot. Woo! Let's just dive right in again. Woo! That's so good. Oops. Guys, I have a piece of ginger here. Oh, that's good. But it's hot. Gotta be trying not to make any mess. I don't want to do too much cleaning for my second video. Woo! Guys, I'm so hungry. Guys, I love sticky rice. Could I be a little more? A little sticky, yeah, but I'm loving up on the shadow benny over here on this ends. And this sauce is good. Let's see if this piece up. Oh shit. This is that looks like it's going to be hot. That piece, guys, that piece different. Oh my god, that piece is different. Guys, the only reason I'm eating all that pepper, I feel like as I was just coming down with the cold this morning. So I've been on the teas, ginger, pepper. Woo. Guys, so the place is open back. Going back to usual hours, going back to usual time, no more lockdown, but the beach is still closed. But I've been going to the beach if and do. So I feel like I get a little draft from that. My hair being wet. Guys, you have to enjoy life. People just dying. It's something we cannot control. People hating on people for no reason, guys. Fighting it down for no reason. But God is the boss. Okay, guys, so my storage. Ooh. Oh, my storage space full, so I had to just delete some stuff and come back on here. Alright, the pepper hot, but I think it's going good with the salad. This white sauce have a lot of garlic and shadabani. A lot of people say, "Oh, that white sauce be so runny," because that's how it's supposed to be, guys. I still eating pepper. Guys, Christmas is on us. What do you think we should be doing? What do you think we should do? Like different. My channel is about vlogs, so we could do some vlogs too. All this food we are eating. Guys, I think to edit a mukbang is more work than a normal vlog. What do you guys think? So good. Because I'm getting so full. It's so good. Ooh. That's so good. It is my new look. You know how you find it looks good. Imagine you walking down the road like this and say, "Oh God, she clearly gone crazy." Woo! Okay, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also share the link with family and friends. Thanks so much for your all support. Guys, I'm full to the max and I have another mukbang later to do, so I just hope I settle off. See you back tomorrow to another amazing boonging, banging video. Bye, guys.